Dad! Come. And then, Dad! Wait.
100.
She the one said 120.
400.
This.
It's $80. I mean, anything. This but we'll need help to carry. Put it now, so if we need to put in 50 boxes, we can take it if we need it gone within an hour. Better than just leaving it down.
Go get Dad more water. More water! He doesn't have any water.
And up there.
Okay, Bubba. Okay, Bubba. I will go get more water from Dad. Time to get more water for Daniel. More water. Hold on. Ooh. But I have to go put more water for Daniel.
That was just water in there.
I'm giving him more
Take it off.
water.
You take it off. Go, pour it.
Can you help me?
Put it. Put your hand down like this and pour it.
Help! Help me!
Oh, what?
Ow! More water?
You wouldn't scare the other dog. The other dog was biting back. It's slapping his back. Cooper, Matthew Daddy's dog.
Oh, ha-cha!
Ano fine what?
No wonder he's so big. He drinks so much things. He's almost done with it. There's water on his eyes, and it looks like he's crying.
It's the kind of this is you know when you wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the
and you get
morning
that?
and
That's what it is.
no, but there's water.
You know what they say? You know the cats. You know the cats, the kind of like this, Damien.
Yeah.
If you put that on your eye, you can see those. Cats can see those. Hey, is it? You drink from mom?
No, he never got penguin.
Oh, I thought that was his pot.
The dog didn't think so.
Oh, what's he doing? Watch this. He's gonna ambush it.
On my phone, fucking dead.
I'm putting this on YouTube, Mom. Wake up in the morning and I tag on up. What? Hug Bubba. Hug Bubba. Mommy say Roman hug Bubba. Mommy say Bubba. Say Bubba hug.
Fully grown, so probably
Mommy say Roman hug Bubba.
5 years.
Mommy say
At least
say
5
Roman
years.
hug Bubba.
Dogs usually
And
take
then,
about 4 years. 4 years.
Mommy, I want a Belgian.
Belgian waffle?
But the police style.
German Shepherd?
And the German Shepherd and Belgian.
Can you lift the
The
dog?
German Shepherd is gonna be called
You can bring the dog.
Robin.
Put the dog on a leash. No, you can pull you. No, you can hold
The dog would walk you instead of you walking the dog. Can I give someone some to the dog?
Papa, the doggy likes me. Nana.
Your shirt is backwards, you know, Damien.
Okay, he's in the shirt. He's in the car without shirt. You took your shirt off.
Because I was hot.
That boy.
We said it.
Oh, who says the one is better than me?
Hmm?
No!
Where you going, boy?
Donald.
I'm so scared of going. You're like scared. Just punch him.
His
Look,
nose. Mom, you know if you do this to the dog.
You see when you see the dog is right here. Right here, I get something blocking, so
Stay right there. Oh, that
you
would've been
just step
nice.
back.
My cord is like, you know when you gotta play with it, you gotta do a certain thing.
Oh, the kid back.
The thing just turn off by itself. Come on.
Daddy, can I try this bike? What's today?
You know the gate.
Donald,
Come outside here.
come on.
Because it was in the hallway. Yeah? I would ask the boy if we can just like leave him.
Oh, look, you get it out. I'm rocking my Oreos. Donald! Relax! Zoom into Daddy's face.
What is that?
Momo.
What you said?
He's almost taller than me. Actually, it is. Mommy, the doggy's taller
Good
than
morning. Go buy pizza.
Mommy, the doggy's taller than me. Mommy, Daniel's taller than me. Mommy, Daniel's taller than me.
Yeah, I know.
Roman.
Why are you blocking its eyes? How would you know what to do?
We gotta practice.
Just
Need dog
observe.
practice.
I want to practice when I don't have a dog.
Practice on a ball.
I want to adopt a dig.
Sorry, dude.